Hello kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, I draw the fruits. Let's draw with me. First of all, I draw an apple. Draw apple is very easy. Wow, that's awesome, yummy yummy. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now I draw the other fruit. I draw the watermelon. I like watermelon so much. It's very tasty. Do you like watermelon? Yummy yummy, it's so tasty. Now I draw an orange. Draw the orange is very easy. Make the circle and make the leaf. Now it's ready. Wow, that's great. Orange is very for health. Now I draw a mango. I like mango so much. In summer I eat a lot of mangoes. Do you like mango? I also like the milkshake of mango. In summer I enjoyed the mangoes a lot. Wow, that's so yummy and tasty. It looks so beautiful. Now I draw cherry. First of all, I draw the leaves of the cherry. Then I draw the cherries. It's very easy drawing. Can you draw this at your home? Yes, you can draw this. Now I draw the last fruit of drawing. I draw the banana. I like banana so much. Do you like banana? It's very useful for health. Eat the fruits makes you healthy. So eat the fruits daily and avoid junk food. Doctor also advised me to eat the fruits daily. It's very useful for us. Do forget to outline the fruits. Doing the outline in very fast way. Hurry up, hurry up. Now I have done the outline. My drawing is almost ready. Now I colored the fruits. So let's color the fruits. Let's coloring with me. First of coloring the apple. Yes, its color is red. Wow, that's awesome. That's so yummy and tasty. Now colored the watermelon. Use the red color in the watermelon. Wow, that's great and awesome. Now I colored cherries. The color of cherry is red. So I use the red color in it. Wow, cherries look so beautiful. It's so yummy and tasty. And finally I colored the banana. I use the yellow color in it. My drawing is ready. It looks so beautiful. Do like this.